How to fix TikTok repost button not showing. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. So there are basic reasons why the TikTok repost button is not showing. So firstly, you need to tap open your TikTok application and you need to clear cache of the app. For that, you can click on the profile option and click on the three horizontal line at the top. Select on Settings and Privacy and scroll down to the very bottom until you see the option of Free Up Space and click on it. From here, you will see the first option of cache. You actually have to delete it by tapping on the Clear option. Then click on Clear once again to remove any cache built up. That is the primary reason why your app is glitching. Another reason is maybe the creator of the video has actually turned off the repost button. In that case, you may not be able to see the repost icon right over here. And in that case, you can really do nothing about it. Third is to check for an update. You can open up your Play Store and tap on the search icon to search for your TikTok application. Now, if you see any of the update button, just tap on it and leave your application for an update. Then you need to press and hold onto your app and head over to App Info. Then click on Force Stop and OK, just so you can force restart your app. So these are some of the solutions to fix a TikTok repost button not showing. Hopefully you found it informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in.